Alright, so today we have these two ground fault circuit interrupter outlets. They're the same brand and model, and when I put this, they've been sitting outside for a while. These have been sitting outside in the toolbox for a couple of years now, and when my dad was cleaning out the back porch, he found it and he told me that I could just have these and destroy them. I'm gonna assume they don't work and I'm not gonna plug them in and test them. They're all dodgy anyways. They're actually kind of tough. I expected them to just explode. Ow! Some junk assaulting me. There we go, now it explodes. I got this other one. I bet this one's going to be such good quality. That part just exploded. That's it for the ground fault circuit interrupters. They couldn't interrupt the hammer.